Imagine one motorcycle that can conquer highways, mountain passes, rocky trails, and even cross-countries with confidence. That's exactly what the BMW R 1300 GS is built to do. The BMW R 1300 GS is the latest evolution of BMW's legendary GS lineup. It features a powerful 1,300 cubic centimeters twin-cylinder boxer engine that delivers smooth, responsive performance with impressive torque. Whether you're cruising through the city or climbing steep mountain roads, this bike feels effortless and exciting. One of the biggest improvements is its lighter, more compact design. Compared to the previous generation, the R 1300 GS is easier to handle while still offering excellent stability. BMW has also redesigned the frame and suspension, giving riders better control on both paved roads and rough terrain. Technology is another area where the R 1300 GS truly shines. It comes with a bright TFT display, multiple riding modes, cornering ABS, traction control, adaptive cruise control on selected versions, and advanced rider assistance features. These systems help make every ride safer and more enjoyable. Comfort is a major priority as well. The upright riding position, adjustable seat, and wind protection make long-distance journeys much less tiring. Whether you're commuting daily or heading out on a week-long adventure, the R 1300 GS is designed to keep you comfortable. Off-road capability remains one of its greatest strengths. With long travel suspension, strong ground clearance, and optional off-road packages, this motorcycle is ready to tackle gravel roads, dirt trails, and rugged landscapes with confidence. The aggressive LED headlight, modern bodywork, and premium finish give the R 1300 GS a bold and unmistakable appearance. It looks just as impressive parked outside a cafe as it does crossing remote mountain roads. Of course, premium engineering comes at a premium price. However, for riders who want cutting-edge technology, outstanding reliability, exceptional comfort, and true adventure capability, many consider the BMW R 1300 GS worth the investment. So, is the BMW R 1300 GS the ultimate adventure motorcycle? For many riders around the world, the answer is yes. It combines power, comfort, technology, and off-road performance into one remarkable package. Whether your dream is a weekend road trip or a journey across continents, the BMW R 1300 GS is built to take you there. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more motorcycle reviews and adventure content.